Today I'm going to show you how to change colors in a logo. So let's get started. I am starting with a file that has a transparent background. This is an EPS file. You could also start with a PNG file. And what I'm going to do today, everything that is this dark gray color, I'm going to make white because I want to be able to put this logo on a black or very dark background. And right now, if I did that, this type and this shape would be really hard to see. So first step, in my layers panel, I'm just going to duplicate my layer just so I have a backup ready to go. And I'm going to turn that background layer off and make sure that I have the top layer selected. Okay, today I'm going to use the Magic Wand tool. It can be found in your Tools panel. And I am just going to zoom in a little bit, and I want to select all of my type down here as well as the outside of this shape. So an easy way to do that is I'm going to click into one of my letters, and Photoshop has an easy way to be able to select everything that is the same color. So instead of having to select each letter individually, I'm going to use this function. So with this E selected, I'm going to go up here to select similar. And it is going to select everything in this file that is the same color. So you can see everything is selected here. All the letters are selected, and this looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add color to this logo. I'm going to choose the color that I want to use. I'm going to use a white. And I'm actually just going to paint right on this layer. So I'm going to, with the white swatch selected, I'm going to paint my selection with white. Okay, that looks pretty good. I think I painted everything. So now I'm going to deselect, select, deselect. Keyboard shortcut for that is Command D. So now all of my gray is white. And I want to test this to make sure it will actually work on a dark background now. So I'm going to add a layer, put it under my logo file. And I am going to make a black layer, just the darkest color I can. And I'm going to use the paint bucket just to paint this layer a black. So this looks pretty good. If I were now to put this logo on a dark background, this is approximately what it would look like. And the letters would stand out much more than if they were that dark gray color. To get this ready to be used, let me delete this background layer that I made. I'm now going to save this as a PNG for the web. So File, Export, Save for Web. I'm going to select PNG, click Save. Click Save. If you wanted this to be a high resolution file for print, you could save this as a Photoshop file, a .psd as well. So that's how you change colors in a logo file. Please subscribe to our channel, Crye Studio, for more tips and tricks on how to use Adobe programs. Thanks so much.